Number 1. 1965 Ford F100, price $7,500, finished in a bold yellow exterior with a clean black interior. It captures the timeless look of mid-60s Ford trucks. Under the hood, it retains its factory 352 FEV8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a genuine driving experience with plenty of torque and power. The truck is also equipped with power steering, making it easier to handle while still maintaining that vintage feel. The bed and undercarriage are solid, a testament to how well this F100 has held up over the decades. It runs and drives, though it would benefit from some light TLC to bring it back to top condition, making it an excellent candidate for either a full restoration or simply enjoyed as is by an enthusiast who appreciates originality. With a clean title in hand, this classic Ford is ready for its next owner to continue its story and keep the spirit of the 1960s American truck era alive. Number 2. 1995 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,000, shows 143,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in classic black, while the interior is dressed in a clean gray, giving the truck a timeless look. Powered by a gasoline engine, it has been garage kept for much of its life and remains in well-preserved condition. The truck was originally owned by a veteran and later purchased from a close friend after the veteran's passing. It had clearly been well cared for and cherished before changing hands. Since then, the current owner has continued that same level of care, replacing the AC compressor, radiator, and battery, as well as beginning restoration work on the interior to bring it back to its original comfort. When the family acquired it, the truck had around 120,000 miles. From that point on, it saw very limited use, primarily by their son, who only drove it for his short 8-mile commute every other week. Number 3. 1997 Ford F350, price $7,500, comes equipped with a powerful 7.5L gasoline engine and rear-wheel drive, offering plenty of strength and reliability. It holds a clean title and currently shows 214,000 miles on the odometer. Despite its mileage, the truck runs and drives very well for its age, and during the current ownership, it has seen less than 1,000 additional miles. Recently, it was smog tested and passed without any issues. The truck is outfitted with ride-right airbags complete with gauges for air pressure, a heavy-duty Class V tow hitch, a Reese front hitch receiver, and both a bed liner and a bed mat to protect the bed. A spare wheel is also mounted underneath the bed. Please note, however, that the JoeBox toolbox shown in photos is not included in the sale. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1989 GMC 1500, price $10,000, featuring a striking black exterior paired with a bold red interior. Under the hood, it houses a rebuilt 350 V8 engine along with a rebuilt carburetor, both with paperwork to verify the work. The truck has been treated with care since the rebuild and has never been abused, serving primarily as a reliable cruiser. Inside, the Sierra is fitted with a custom center console system and a doubled-in stereo setup, all professionally installed by a shop. On the outside, it sports a 2-inch hood scoop, 22-inch staggered mags with brand new tires, and a sleek bed cover. The front suspension has been fully replaced with new components, and it also benefits from a new radiator and a yellow cap battery. In addition, the truck comes with a set of 454 stock wheels and center caps. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, powered by a strong SBC 350 engine paired with a reliable TH350 automatic transmission. What makes it stand out is that all of the original smog equipment is still present, keeping the truck true to its factory setup. The suspension has been upgraded with a CPP front system, featuring brand new upper control arms, all new bushings up front, and fresh shocks installed on all 4 corners, providing a smoother and more controlled ride. To complement these upgrades, the braking system has been completely renewed with new components, ensuring dependable stopping power. On top of that, the rear end has been recently rebuilt, giving this C10 a refreshed drivetrain that's ready for the road. Number 6. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. The truck shows 386,000 miles on the odometer, though the engine has around 100,000 miles on a remanufactured replacement, while the transmission has only about 25,000 miles on it. It runs well overall, though it occasionally has a rough idle, and the steering shows some play. The push-button 4x4 is functional but needs a new actuator and inexpensive repair. There is also a minor leak on the driver's side that allows the floorboard to get slightly wet. Despite this, the interior remains in excellent condition and has been well cared for. Both the air conditioning and heat work properly, delivering through the vent system. The current owner has maintained the truck with regular oil changes and OEM replacement parts, ensuring it remains reliable despite its age and mileage. Number 7. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,000. It has 169,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and has proven to be a reliable driver. The truck runs and drives great, with cold air conditioning and tires that are practically new. It is a 2WD model and, while the body is in decent shape for its age, there are a few imperfections worth noting. There is a small oil leak, the driver's window only works intermittently, and the rear windows don't seal perfectly. The speedometer is not accurate, and both the driver's side mirror and dashboard show cracks. Even so, this Sierra remains a dependable option for use around town or as a farm truck. Number 8. 1986 Ford F150, price $5,500. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on a dependable V8 3025.0 engine. Finished in sleek black with a contrasting red interior, this truck still carries plenty of presence on the road. Over the years, it has been tastefully upgraded and well maintained. It sits on a professionally installed 4-inch rough country lift kit, paired with 33-inch Nitto Ridge grapplers and 17-inch fuel wheels that were purchased brand new from Espino Tire Wheel for $1,500. The truck also benefits from a number of recent updates, including new taillights, 2 new gas tanks, a removable heavy-duty bedliner, a new oil pump, and a brand new red head gearbox valued at $400. A new battery with 6 months of warranty remaining has been installed, along with new terminals and new radius arm bushings. Both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional, making it comfortable in any weather. To add further peace of mind, it also comes with a spare 33-inch tire. Number 9. 1974 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. The truck is a classic pickup that has seen 200,000 miles and still runs well. It comes with an automatic transmission and is finished in a striking red exterior paired with a tan interior. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine, the C10/Custom shortbed truck features a 350 small block Chevy paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a solid foundation for enthusiasts. Currently registered and in running condition, it makes an excellent candidate for restoration. Its original factory color, Rosedale Red, remains one of the most desirable and eye-catching finishes from that era. Number 10. 1976 Ford F100, price $8,500. This truck comes with a manual transmission and is finished in green inside and out, giving it the true vintage look. Under the hood, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a turbocharged 302, paired with the same motor and transmission setup found in the 5.0 Fox bodies. The truck is equipped with line lock and 4.10 gears, making it a fun and spirited driver. It rides on newer tires and, while it could benefit from a carburetor tune, it remains a lively classic pickup that delivers plenty of excitement. The current owner has enjoyed it thoroughly but is now ready to pass it on. It comes with a clean title in the owner's name.